This short video is going to show you how to get set up and registered with the MContent app. We've simply downloaded the app and haven't done anything else yet. And then at the end, I'll also show you how to get your wallet connected so that you can transfer any rewards from the app to your crypto wallet. So now after you've downloaded the MContent app to your device, we're going to click on it and open it up. And it's going to bring us to the login page. We want to click on Register Now to register a new account. And then just like most apps, we're going to type in our email and password that we want to use for the MContent app. And now once you've filled in all of that information, we will check out the terms and conditions and check the box, and then we can click Register. And now it's going to send us an email verification link. So let's go over to our email inbox. And now we can see the email from MContent. So now all we have to do is click on this big blue hyperlink to verify our email. And it says the email has been verified. We can now sign in with our new account. And now I just recommend that you go ahead and close out all of your windows on your phone or device so that we can start over and do a fresh login. So now we're back on the home screen. We're going to open up the MContent app again. And now we're going to finish setting up the profiles information. At the top, we're going to type in the username. So that is going to be the same as our channel name for the account. So you may want to take a minute to think about that one. And then for referral code, that's going to be whoever referred you to the MContent app. So we're not going to go through all of this together. Just like any other app, there's more information boxes for you to fill out. Some of it is necessary to complete the registration, and some of it is optional. You can just go back to it later. At this point, let's just assume you've filled out all that necessary information, and we'll go down to Save and Continue. And now it brings us to the Add Your Wallet page. This is where we're going to type in our wallet address for our crypto wallet, which needs to be a BEP20 supported wallet, as you can see on the bottom of the screen there. But we can do that a little bit later. So for now, just to keep things rolling, we're going to click on Skip for Now. And now, for the first time, we are loading up the MContent's home screen. And then on the top right of the screen, you're going to click on that icon there, which is going to be your account info. And now we're on our dashboard page for our account. You can see we got our name there, our blank profile photo, and we got some MContent tokens just for getting registered on the app. And the amount of tokens will likely vary depending on when you're getting registered. So this is just an example. Now let's go back to the top and click on My Wallet. As you remember, we skipped that portion of the registration before. But now we want to go ahead and finish this setup. So I'm going to show you one way to get your BEP20 supported wallet and address so we can put that in here and finish connecting it to the MContent app. Now there are different apps and crypto wallets that are going to be compatible with MContent, but I'm just going to choose Trust Wallet because I think that's one of the easiest ones for most people to get started with. You can see the icon here for Trust Wallet. If you don't have that app already, obviously you'd have to download it first, and then we'll go to the next step. So now we just opened up Trust Wallet, and you can see where my arrow is. The one we want to look at is BNB Smart Chain, as shown here. That is the crypto wallet address that we're going to use to sync to the MContent app. Now when we click on this, and it's going to bring up this page, we want to click on Receive, because if we were sending money to this wallet of ours, we would need our wallet address. So you can see here, those two rows of letters and numbers, that is your BNB wallet address. So we just clicked on Copy to copy that, and then we'd be all set to go back to our MContent app and paste it into that box there. And then click Connect. And we are all set up. So now we're back to our My Wallet page. You can see at the top there, that should be the same number of wallet as that BNB Smart Chain wallet address, or at least the first 8 digits or so that shows up. You can see our total tokens and rewards, and we even got a reward for connecting our wallet to the app. But you're also going to earn rewards for every video that you watch on the app. The only thing is that these amounts will vary depending on when you're watching this video. You can scroll through the app, you can update your info, and start watching videos to start earning tokens. So thank you very much for watching. Let us know if you have any questions or comments, and we look forward to seeing you on the app. Welcome to MContent.